All right, these handsome gentlemen are placing my solar panel on top of the roof. And the wind, hope the wind ain't gonna tear it open. Yeah, all right. So we're finally getting it done. That's Butch. Oh yeah, it goes in pretty good, huh? Yeah.
It doesn't feel like it's being overpowered or anything.
Yeah, just.
As long as we keep it right there.
All right, so my solar panel is up there, and these guys are from the Angel of God Foundation, and they are volunteering to do my panel. So I'm gonna get out the way. Now I can hook the CPAPs up, charge the battery up with no problem. Don't have to sit in a park anymore charging a battery. And also, as the battery is charged, I can run my fan because it'll stay charged. So all is well. Vicky Van Life. Checking out.
Are you right where you're at? You want to be right there? I'm good. Okay.